Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my supporters and my patrons. And today I have a big announcement. Big, it's a biblical proportion. So today I decided to actually put a deposit and order the Tesla Model Y. And why would I do that? Why would anybody want to do that? Anyway, so here's the reason why. But before I tell you the reason, actually, let me tell you what I got. I'm going to get the long range at 300 miles, rear wheel. You know, with my snow tires, I have experience with all my cars. And snow tires with my Tesla Model 3 as well. It's plenty enough. Like I always told you, range is king. I'm going to get the blue color. I'm going to get the white cloth inside. And of course, I'm going to get the autopilot. And the reason why is this is what I figure. My Tesla Model 3 right now, which my wife drives all the time. My Tesla Model 3 right now at 7 months, I have about close to 19,000 miles. I will close to 19,000 miles this week because I have another long trip coming up. So I figure I'm going to drive about 30,000 miles a year. Now we are in middle of May 2019. So by October, I will have it for a year. The following October, 2020, I will have it for 2 years with 60,000 miles. That's my assumption, knowing how much I drive. And that's when Tesla Model Y production is going to start. I figure it's probably going to take another year or so for me to get the Tesla Model Y. Now, I haven't decided if I want to do 7-seat or not. If I do 7-seat, I have to wait even longer, but probably not. So I figure by the time I'll get it, my Tesla Model 3 will be 3 years old-ish with 90,000 miles, way after the 50,000 miles warranty. And it will be time for me to trade in my Tesla Model 3. I will not keep both. Trade my Tesla Model 3. And this way I will get a hatchback, 66 cubic feet of cargo, which going on long trips, I know how much important that is. Also, you know, it's the next Tesla, and my YouTube channel is about innovation and about electric cars, and I always want to keep up with the latest and the best. You know, that fits my need. I don't just buy it because I need something to talk about. But it will be time, you know, like I said, the Model 3 will approach 100,000 miles. And so, listen, barring major change in my family lifestyle or my children or who needs what, looks like it will be a trade, not a straight out purchase. So that's what I'm going to do. So it is going to serve a need that I will have in 2.5 years or so, and it will give me more the latest Tesla to review and to inspire people to change to electric cars. Now, there's a wrench in between this. I want to see what's going to happen with the Tesla truck. Now, I am not a truck person. I could care less about that. But, you know, my kids are, and we'll see what happens. So, the verdict is in. It's just a deposit, and I can totally change my mind and change the order and modify, and we'll see what happens until then. But meantime, this is the direction I'm going to do. So I'm very excited, really excited about that. It's going to be awesome. And we'll take it from there. Now, knowing my experience with the Tesla Model 3, it was more than 2.5 years until I got my Tesla Model 3. Actually, let me put a link for you of the day I got the Tesla Model 3. That was one of the happiest days of my life. You should watch that video when I got the Tesla Model 3. So I will keep you posted, updated. Let me know if you have ordered a Tesla Model Y and what's your experience, why, and what specs did you decide to get. And if you have any suggestion for my order, any modification, let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you posted. I'll see you tomorrow in another video.